Good afternoon. We are at the Mew property. We're going to be completing a repairability test on the back slope, which is south. We have this damaged shingle here. We'll do our repair test on. We'll see how it affects the surrounding shingles. I've marked the damaged one with an X there, and then marked up all of the surrounding shingles around that damaged one, which I'll give you an overview of now. All of those surrounding shingles could potentially be damaged during the repairability test, so I'll show you once we're all finished up, give you another overview and all of the results. I'll be using a putty knife, roof snake, flat bar, and hammer. We'll get started with the putty knife. We'll use that to unseal shingle 8 there, the top shingle. And then we'll use this flat bar to unseal the rest of them. We'll see how those two different tools affect the shingles differently. Now that we have all of those unsealed, we'll start removing these nails. Alright, that should be all of the nails. Alright, we got that new shingle in place. Start getting some nails back in there now, and we'll be using the roof snake for that. Alright, all complete with the repairability test. Give you another overview of all of those surrounding shingles. And I'll give you a close-up of these tabs here. You can notice some changes to the condition of these shingles here. You can see some stress fractures on the top of these tabs. This one, you can see a little bit right there where that matting broke, which damages the integrity of the shingle and also affects its water shedding capabilities. Then we'll check for any mat transfer along these shingles. Looks like we can see some from the damaged shingle here that we pulled. You can see some mat transfer along there, so we should be able to see it on the bottom of these lower tabs here. Yeah, we can see all of that mat transfer along this one. You can see where those chunks were taken off the bottom of those tabs. We can see that exposed fiberglass there. See all those fiberglass. Some more along this one. We have some more exposed fiberglass. Got a little bit of mat transfer up here as well. See those chunks right there. See that right there? It's pretty bad. And some more mat transfer along here. So with all of that mat transfer as well as stress fractures to those surrounding tabs, I do not believe that this roof is repairable. We can see the results from repairing this one wind damage shingle here. What the results are, we have an additional 1, 2, 3 damaged shingles, leaving them with potential leak hazard due to those stress fractures and all that mat transfer. Going to be a potential leak hazard, and we can see the damage on this roof is pretty widespread. So I do not believe that repairs are feasible, as you can see what a repair is going to look like. It's going to be leaving them with potential leak hazards all over their roof. Anywhere there is damaged shingle, that will be repaired. So with that being said, I do not believe that the roof is repairable. I'll go ahead and chalk up all those damages and get some better pictures of those. Thank you for your time.